Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to disable all sensors in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to disable all sensors, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for about phone. Just tap on it. Then go for software information and here you will get the build number. You must have to tap on it for 7 times to enable developer options in your phone. Just tap on it for 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just tap on it and then tap on OK, or if you have any password, you just have to enter. You can see developer mode has been enabled. Now go back, go for main settings. In main settings, you will get developer options here. Just tap on it. And here you must have to look for quick settings developer styles. Just tap on it and here you'll get the sensors off. Just tap on it. So after that just go back, go to home screen, scroll down your control panel and here you'll easily get sensors off. You must have to enable it and you'll get the sensors off option or icon just like this. Now go back and here you can see we have successfully disabled all sensors in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.